We've had some chaos in the crypto world. The world's largest crypto exchange, Binance, pulled out of a deal to buy out distressed rival FTX. Bitcoin prices did plunge to a yearly low and remain highly volatile. Here to make sense of this crypto crash is CoinDesk global macro editor Emily Parker. Emily, always a pleasure to get some of your perspective, your insights here. Help us set the scene here. Now that we've kind of hit this low, if you will, perhaps in this crypto winter, where do we go from here?
Well, that's very optimistic to say that we've hit a low. I think, unfortunately, we could see a lot more fallout from this because this kind of has just started, right? And the contagion effects are very, very possible. You know, another thing to keep in mind here is that this is very much a non-US story. FTX has operations all over the world. In fact, this doesn't actually even affect FTX US. So we could see fallout in markets like in Asia, in Japan, for example. The Japanese authorities have now taken action. They've basically ordered FTX's local unit in Japan to suspend operations. So I think the fallout from this could be quite big all over the world.
What happens next with FTX?
Well, I think, we saw Sam had a very long Twitter feed and he's trying to, basically raise, which I think is interesting. I don't know why someone would give money to Sam Bankman-Fried right now, but he's trying to raise money. We've had Tron, Justin's son, who's kind of trying to come in as some sort of white knight. We don't know exactly what he's planning, but he's indicated that he wants to sort of come in and save the situation. Unfortunately, ironically, Sam Bankman-Fried, before this, was sort of the savior of so many other failing companies. Now we have Tron coming in and trying to do the same. I think we're going to see some sort of regulatory action across the world. Again, like we said, we saw in Japan already, they're ordering the local branch to suspend operations. So, we see Alameda. Sam has indicated that Alameda is winding down. So I think we're almost, there's a lot more fallout to come as we see these dominoes continue to fall. And then again, all the investors, right? There's so many different investors in Sam and FTX and Alameda. I mean, what's going to happen to them? How is that going to spread throughout the industry? I think there's a lot more to come.
CoinDesk global macro editor Emily Parker, thanks so much for hopping on. I know today's very, very busy for you and the team. We appreciate it.